Let me quickly begin by playing a short video that will kind of spark interest in the audience. So we have built an AI-based platform which actually recognizes every data point in a video. So any video today out there has multiple information hidden within it, be it objects, be it say location information, be it the person who is there inside the video. The dashboard is capable of identifying all the options, all the features inside the video directly and auto-tagging it. So when I say auto-tagging it, it breaks up every object into multiple aspects, breaks up every person, and identifies every person and object inside the video and goes ahead and auto-tags it. What it does in return is a person who usually today is going through multiple platforms where they're trying to search the next relevant product that they see in the video is now visible just by a tap of the button. All they have to do is touch on the interactive screen, which is playing across any platform. So what we have done is in the entire route, we started off with a B2C platform, quickly realized into the game that instead of building a consumer-based product, why not build a brand-based and a user-centric product? In the user-centric mass, what we did is we optimized the entire engine. So today, even if you create a 10-second video before you upload it on Instagram or Snapchat, the idea behind is for you to kind of monetize your video. You can quickly come onto the Touch platform, make your video shoppable, host it on Facebook, host it on Instagram, host it on Snapchat, wherever you would like. Take the script, put it up on your own website or application, and it will run as a simple MP4 video. And then that video is interactive and is tagged with similar brands online. What it does in return is the brands start getting visibility, the e-com partners are getting visibility, plus you start monetizing even over a simple 10-second video, which actually excites everyone to understand what are the data points in the video. For an example, recently there was a huge hit song that had come in the market where Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol was there, and it was shot in a beautiful scenic location. Everyone was trying to figure out what the location was. The dashboard actually solves that problem by identifying the location and letting the users tap into the information and kind of buy the package so that they can go ahead and explore the entire location on their own. In the process, what we started doing is we opened up the platform for everyone. So we opened up the platform for any end user, any brand, and any consumer to come on the platform, make their video shoppable, and start using it in the entire process. They could also start licensing the technology out so that if you are a streaming platform, say you're a Netflix or you're Alt Balaji or a Woot or a Hotstar, you can use the technology and start monetizing the ads in real time, which is actually a biggest pain point right now.
Just 1 more minute to go.
Sure. In the last 4 months, we've been working with few big brands. We have kind of partnered with over 55 brands where we have tried to capture the market with them. In the process, what we also introduced is something called a shoppable runway with the fashion shows, where we went ahead and kind of partnered with the top shows in the country, and we started kind of giving them the technology so that they can instantly giving out the lookbook, giving the videos out to the end consumers. So we started monetizing on that particular aspect in big way. We are currently functional on all these platforms, and our integrations are also live on smart TVs. We're also coming up with something called a smart lens, which we definitely will be able to talk upon in our beta 2.0 version. Since the last 4 months, since our inception, and since we have gone live into the market, we have been able to kind of monetize with brands, with bloggers, with influencers, with also a lot of TV shows and streaming platform. We also realized that the analytical background is very strong. So we built a very strong analytical background so that any user can track their customers going to and fro, and the purchases can be tracked in the entire process. So we kind of went ahead and did a business launch. We introduced the enterprise model, went ahead and partnered with streaming platforms, gave them the technology in the process. We understood the market we were after. We started off being very fashion-centric, but then we understood that the technology can be plugged into various other elements. So we started plugging into home decor, we went into travel, we went into video advertisements, all of that other bit to kind of capture the market. And that's just a short synopsis of my team today. Saket and Alok are the one who works on CTO.
Sorry, your time's up.
Sure.